This video is going to talk about the Excel Capstone project. I'm not actually going to complete it because this is like a test, so you need to know how to do this. Here in Blackboard, I've already downloaded my instructions. I'm going to download the starter file. Remember that you need to enable editing. You need to make sure that you save the file. Save as. I'm going to browse. Remember where you save your file at. I've been putting mine on my desktop in my Excel folder. And then I'm going to change this and make this a 2 after my name and save. The next thing you want to make sure that you do is that your name is in the documents worksheet. If you don't see your name there, please download it again. Now I've already downloaded my instructions here. Enable editing here. Make sure that you go through and look at each one. So for this first one, you need to unfreeze the first column since it does not display information that applies to the rest of the worksheet. Now remember, this is something that we did in chapter 3. We unfroze some information. The now function we also did in chapter 3. That is with the time and date formulas. You've got your formatting, some information here you need to be doing. Formatting the data. Want you to use some formulas. Use a function that multiplies the actual of hours. To multiply, you're going to use the asterisk key, *8. Use the fill handle. And make sure that there's no decimal places. Use that common number format here in number 7. Number 8, again, you're going to be doing some formulas and changing the format. You're going to be changing some information into percentages in step 9. Step 10. Going to be using the sum function and then the fill handle, and then doing some conditional formatting here in number 11, as well as some copying and pasting in number 8. Some more conditional formatting in step 13. And then you're going to use the average function, followed by creating a 3D clustered column chart and making some changes to that. You're going to do some copy and pasting of some formulas, and then ending up with using the min function and the max function. Your final project should look similar to this sheet that you see here in your instructions. Here's your project status sheet. So you have your conditional formatting showing up here. You've got your chart down here. And then the project schedule sheet. You can make a few changes to that sheet as well as you're working in your document. So once you have this completed, submit it, check your grade. Your grade report, you can redo this more than once, so make sure you look over that grade report, and if you're not happy with your grade, go back and make changes and resubmit it. If you have any questions, please contact your instructor. Good luck with your Excel Capstone document.